Group, the Marines, of course, fly Fat Albert, as she's affectionately known. The J model Hercules today has the Para-Commandos jump team on board. They're going to take off. They're going to climb high above us and then start our show at 11:15. So we launch them. For those who like their airplanes big, and I mean big, and heavy, here's Fat Albert, ladies and gentlemen, already off the ground with the jumpers. Under canopy. So that's been done now. They're watching it from below here, the SOCOM people, and out where the wind blade is, show center in front of us, and from Fat Albert right now. They'll coordinate the landing. So if it lands, making sure that things are ready so that we can perform safely. And that means the check-ins are going on from all sorts of folks, from the security folks, but safety because of the aircraft fully fueled. Sunny conditions means we could have overflow conditions, and you're all in close proximity. Want you to stay hydrated today too. Drink plenty of water. Medical tents in the middle and the left and right of the static display area, and our uniformed personnel will direct you there. Don't be shy about it. If you're not feeling well, make sure you seek that attention. Stay hydrated, use a sunblock, and I think you'll stay ahead of that and go home happy and healthy at the end of the day. Absolutely no drones of any kind, even the little ones you throw around in your pocket and they follow you all around. That's being strictly enforced. Absolutely no drones here today.
Look at this amazing demonstration of our team, ladies and gentlemen, flying through the sky. And we have the rest of our jumpers away. We're looking for all those beautiful canopies to open. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Amazing. We have all jumpers safely under canopy at this time. Once they pop smoke. Look at this beautiful demonstration. At this time, they're all getting into formation, getting ready to put on a display for all of you lovely fans here today. Ladies and gentlemen, please give our parachutists a round of applause as they start to land. Cheer them on, let them hear you. They can hear you out there. Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, please stand and remove your hats if able.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light was so proudly we hailed at our twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets regular, the bombs bursting in air gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say, does that star-spangled for the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for our paracommandos. That concludes our demonstration for today. If you would like to learn more about the U.S. Special Operations Command or the paracommandos, please go to SOCOM.mil or visit us at our Facebook and Instagram at SOCOM Paracommandos. Thank you for coming out, and I hope you enjoy the show.
And Albert, here comes Bert, the Marine Corps and the Navy Blue Angels Hercules. Share that on the socials and make sure you tag it NAS Key West, because you're never going to see that again in an air show. Some of the firsts and onlys you'll see here this weekend. Rob Holland and Bert. Up into the sky and twisting and turning around in many different ways with jets and propellers and all sorts of stuff lined up for you. And Fat Albert with the U.S. Navy Blue Angels. They take the stage at 2:30 this afternoon with the Jets. Bert's going to get busy now helping transport the team on to their next adventure. And we appreciate the lift for our jumpers. Please give a wave to the crew and the Marines on board Bert.